galing trabaho, pinick up, ayan, namamasyal kami, andon yung mga pamilya sa loob. Nagsha-shopping ng damit. Ay ako, pag alam kong gusto ko, yun na. Katapos makuha, alis. Tignan mo yung mga bowl nila, oh, yan, ornament sa kahoy. Yeah. I didn't. It's playing abnormal. Come on, get what you want. I'll pay. Order. Alam mo masarap sang yung nachos. Ako lang ha. It's just me. I don't know about you guys. Manonood daw kami ng movie. Ganda ng kanilang Christmas tree. Okay. Oh, you got nachos, huh? It's playing abnormal. Raul. Minsan, mapagkakamalan mo nga, marunong eh. Texas hot fudge. Ito yung tindahan nila dito. Yan. Ngayon lang ako nakapasok sa mga ganito. Ang tagal-tagal ko na rito sa Texas. Mga native. Oh my, ito na naman ako. Basta hikaw. He has to wear it. It's not gonna fit for him wearing it to the head. Now, gift certificate. That's still That's fun. This is fun. This is fun. You have to be sports. Pakita ko naman yung mukha ko. Kanina puro yung view. Ngayon yung pangit naman. Joke. Yan, lakad-lakad lang. Sobra ginaw. No joke. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na ako, but I'll find my way out. Punta na ako ng garahe. Kasi andun yung asawa ko sa sasakyan, hindi sumama. Sobrang ginaw. Oh, I know where I'm at now. Alam ko na kung nasaan na ako. Isn't that pretty? Oh, tingnan mo yung tunnel. Oh, wow. What a beauty. Ganda. Beauty. Nakita niyo yun? Yun, oh, tunnel, oh. Oh, para kahoy, pinagpinpin yung kahoy. Wow. Ito naman yung malaking Christmas tree, giant. Alright, I'm following. Okay. Then you're gonna have to pagpag your body with the, you know. O yan, panoorin nyo. At siya daw ay magro-roll yung katawan niya. Pagilidin niya doon. Ay, kaso there's a lot of people.
You watch out here.
You have to go down there with the empty spot.
Zip up.
No, over here. JJ, not there because it's not, that's not sliding.
It's not sliding, it's rolling.
I mean rolling. That's not down enough. You'll see what I mean. Iikot to yung anak ko.
Is your nail okay? Did you break it? Okay, this is good. Don't worry about it.
Hi, fishy, fishy, fishy. Akala mo sasagot naman. Hello. Oh God, it's frozen. They're freezing cold. Ayan. That is the biggest one over there. That's the biggest. That is the biggest.
Wait, you're not allowed there.
Let's go. Ayan. O, at least may picture ako. Tingnan mo yung sa Raulo ginagawa ko. O, pinipicturean ko sarili ko. Wala akong kasama eh.